So path one is the consultant. This path is perfect for you if you are a great communicator, a natural educator, or you love doing strategy. In this path, your value is in providing clarity and not providing code. You're essentially the one who goes into the business, can chat to them all, understand their problems, and design a blueprint for their AI transformation. You don't want to get into the weeds of debugging APIs and managing complex end-to-end builds. You'd rather be on calls with people and kind of creating content or running workshops, building relationships. And the good news is that the data shows that this path is exploding. Remember that 400% growth in AI audits? That's predominantly people who are on this path. They're selling AI audits, strategy sessions, and team training workshops to help them understand and use AI. And when a project needs a custom AI development build, you can partner with a builder on the other path and take a cut when you hand it off to them. So you can get a percentage of any deals that you hand over to someone who actually does the building for you. Great example from my AAA accelerator program recently was Rishi, and Rishi didn't start in AI or software at all. He came from an engineering and a consulting background. He was working a full-time job, he had no audience and no product or no business. He started his AI journey by going to in-person trade shows and industry events across a bunch of different sectors, and then by using his communication skills, he was able to speak with business owners there and create a bit of interest and buzz around this AI help and consulting and solutions that he could provide. Those conversations turned into some follow-up calls and into paid discovery and scoping sessions, and only after that did he get in touch with some builders who he also found in the program and start to deliver some AI systems for them. And in the last 6 weeks alone, Rishi has done over £10,000 in sales without ever writing a line of code himself. Now, path two is the builder. And I need you to listen carefully here, because this isn't